All right, guys, some 4K 60 frames per second with the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Just doing a little walking here. Close up there. Let you guys see how this looks and how it sounds. A little more walking. Get kind of close on this tree here. Look at the bark. Looks pretty good. That's the color there. You guys get to see that color. And we'll walk over this way. See how stable it is as well. Walk underneath this tree over here. Looks good out here in the viewfinder. Looks great. Let's get a close-up of these leaves here. There it is. You guys get to see how it focuses. And let's walk some more. Now we're getting into a shaded area here. See how this looks as well. Let's get a close-up of this bark. There it is. And backing out. And there's a truck passing right there. And we're gonna walk back towards the sun, back in the sunlight here. So here it is. You guys see I'm walking on some grass here. And this is what it looks like, 4K 60 on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. What do you guys think? All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Doing a little walking, let you guys see how this look and how it sounds and how stable this is as well. Front-facing camera.